If you need to replace your Ford 2.3 liter coil pack, well, this video is for you. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the connector and remove the 4 7mm bolts and set the secondary coil pack aside. Do not remove the spark plug wires. Disconnect the primary coil pack and remove the bolts and set it aside. Bolt in the new coil pack and plug in the connector. Now we need to swap over the wires one at a time. Reinstall secondary coil pack. And do not forget to bolt down the condenser like I almost did. Always do double checks of your work. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.